Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Talks. I'm Sarah Dash Dash.
And I'm David. It's great to have you here again. Today we're diving into something super useful for your everyday English.
That's right. We're talking about feelings, how to express them naturally in English.
Because let's be honest, we all have emotions every single day. Happy, sad, tired, excited, even angry sometimes. But the problem is, many English learners only know a few words like happy and sad, right?
Exactly. And when you only use I'm happy or I'm sad, your English sounds flat. So today, we'll help you sound more natural and confident when you talk about your feelings. We'll also practice small conversations so you can learn how native speakers actually use these expressions in daily life. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the positive side, happiness. Instead of always saying I'm happy, you can use many other natural expressions.
Yeah. For example, I'm so glad. That's something native speakers say all the time. Like, I'm so glad to see you.
Or I'm thrilled. That means you're very, very happy. For example, I'm thrilled about my new job.
I also like, I'm over the moon. Haha. It's such a fun one. It means extremely happy.
Let's give our listeners a quick mini conversation.
Sure.
Hey David, guess what? I finally passed my driving test.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm so happy for you. You must be over the moon.
Exactly. That's how you can make your English more expressive and real.
All right, sometimes we don't feel great. Let's talk about sadness, but in natural English.
Right? Of course, I'm sad is okay, but there are better ways. Like I'm feeling down today,
Yes, or I'm heartbroken. Usually when something emotional happens, like a breakup.
and I'm disappointed. That's a very useful one. It means you expected something better. For example, I'm disappointed with my exam results.
Or I feel blue. That's an idiom. It means you feel sad for a short time. Like, it's been raining all week. I feel a bit blue.
Let's do another mini scene for practice.
Hey, Sarah, you look a bit down today. Everything okay?
Yeah, I'm just feeling a little blue. I miss my family.
See? That's natural, emotional English.
Now let's talk about anger. Everyone feels it sometimes, but the trick is to express it politely in English.
Right. Instead of shouting, you can use calm phrases like I'm frustrated or I'm upset.
Exactly. I'm upset means you're emotionally hurt or unhappy. I'm frustrated means something is annoying you, maybe a slow computer or a long line at the bank.
Or when your internet stops working during a video call.
That's a perfect example.
Also, I'm furious is stronger. It means very angry. But be careful. Only use it when you're really, really angry.
Let's do a short example. David, the cafe gave me cold coffee again.
Oh no, you must be frustrated.
I am. I'm honestly furious right now. Haha.
That's how you can make it sound real but still polite.
Now what about fear? It's also part of life.
True. So instead of just saying I'm scared, you can say I'm nervous, I'm worried, or I'm terrified, depending on how strong the feeling is.
For example, I'm nervous about my job interview. That's very common.
Or I'm worried about my exams. And if it's really serious, you can say, I'm terrified of heights.
Let's show that in conversation.
Hey, Sarah, are you ready for your flight tomorrow?
Ugh, not really. I'm terrified of flying.
Oh, I didn't know that. Don't worry. You'll be fine.
Ha ha ha. Thank you. See how that sounds much more natural than only saying I'm scared?
Okay, let's end with some peaceful feelings.
Yes. Sometimes we're just relaxed, right? You can say I'm calm, I feel relaxed, or I'm at peace.
Or even I'm chilling. That's casual English for relaxing.
For example, I'm chilling at home and watching a movie.
Or after a long day, I just want to relax and listen to music.
Let's have a little closing conversation. Hey, David, what are you doing this evening?
Nothing much. I'm just chilling at home.
Sounds nice. I think I'll do the same.
All right, friends. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
Good idea. We talked about 5 main emotions: happiness, sadness, anger, fear, and calmness.
For happiness, we said things like, I'm thrilled, I'm glad, I'm over the moon.
For sadness, I'm feeling down. I feel blue. I'm disappointed.
For anger, I'm upset, I'm frustrated, I'm furious.
For fear, I'm nervous, I'm worried, I'm terrified.
And for calmness, I'm relaxed, I'm chilling, I'm at peace.
Now, here's a little challenge for our listeners. Think about your day. Can you make one sentence for each feeling?
For example, I'm thrilled because it's Friday. I feel blue because I miss my friends. I'm frustrated with traffic. I'm nervous about tomorrow's meeting. I'm chilling after dinner.
Perfect examples. You can even repeat them out loud. Speaking helps you remember faster.
Exactly. Don't just listen, speak with us.
Before we wrap up, just remember expressing feelings in English helps you connect with people better.
Yes, it makes your conversations real. Not just correct, but human.
And that's what English is for connection, not perfection.
Beautifully said, Sarah.
Thanks. So, dear listeners, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Talks and practice your English every day.
We've got many more fun and useful topics coming up about daily life, travel, work, and more.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling.
And keep talking in English.
Bye, everyone.